Okay, we come from. I know Michael. You know, from Charlotte, like Bal- uh, Baltimore. They they I don't know if they used to get down. Well, I don't know if they used to get. I don't know if they used to have the same. I don't know if we had the same thing in common. But I was known for putting a motherfucker down, putting a nigga down. I ain't gonna say that word. I'm gonna rebuke that. You know what I mean? But just tackle football like Ram show, like you take your whole body and just ram into somebody, you knocking in the gates, man. And mama gotta go home, and you know what I mean? Like you gotta go home to your mom after that. But we used to throw the football, and we had this game. You know what I mean? I don't know if we had this game called throwback, where they have to throw it back, and we get right in the yard just like that. You know, and it gave us dreams that we could actually achieve to live in luxury, or a life like as of Michael Vick, for an example, Atlanta football star who was to this day my favorite quarterback, will always be my favorite quarterback. So maybe, but yeah, man, we used to think that life was achievable. You know what I mean? And this is what I have to answer. I have a question: how can Bill Belichick and Tom Brady walk home after losing a game, walk past all the murderers, and go home, but I'm not allowed to? You understand what I'm saying? But tomorrow is a new day. I'm gonna see if I can. Tomorrow is a new day. It's prominent that I might. It's probable that I might go to work tomorrow. You know, if I feel up to it. But yeah, that was